Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video we are going to see how to save Gmail attachments to OneDrive. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive an invoice on my mail, then automatically that particular invoice should be uploaded here in my OneDrive account. And for that I'm simply going to create a connection between email parser and OneDrive with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is email parser and my action application is OneDrive. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to save Gmail attachment into OneDrive automatically. For that, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help us to automate this entire process. So as you can see over here that this is the landing page of this software. And on my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I am an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application, and if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this plus icon over here and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this, and here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Gmail to OneDrive. Now let's click on create folder. And we have successfully created a folder named as Gmail to OneDrive. Now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as save Gmail attachments to OneDrive. And as you can see over here that I have selected a folder named as Gmail to OneDrive which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be email parser. Let's click on this. And to connect our Gmail account with our Pabbly Connect account, here we have selected our trigger application as email parser, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect. And here as you can see that we have received a mail hook by Pabbly Connect, which will act as a bridge between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, so that we can easily receive all the mails here in our Pabbly Connect account. So I'm simply going to copy this mail hook from here. And now to connect a Gmail account with our Pabbly Connect account, let me take you to my Gmail account. And here in Gmail account, go to settings. And here in quick settings, click on see all settings. And then go to forwarding and POP. And here in forwarding and POP, click on add a forwarding address. And here we have to paste the mail hook which we have received through Pabbly Connect. So as I have entered the mail hook, I'm simply going to click on next. And after verifying it's you will see forwarding mail to, and here you have to click on proceed. Now click on OK. And now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as you can see over here that we have received a response, and here in response, scroll it down. And here in body text, after extending this column, you will find this link over here for confirmation. So we are going to copy this link from HTTPS till here. Let's copy this, and after that I'm going to paste this link in another tab. And here it says please confirm forwarding mail to this account. And for that I'm simply going to click on confirm. So confirmation is success. Let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. And now here I'm going to click on recapture email parser response. After that click on yes. And as you can see over here that it says waiting for email parser response. So now in order to check that this connection is working or not, I'm going to send a dummy mail on this Gmail account. So let me take you to my Gmail account. And before that we have to select this forward a copy of incoming mail to this email address. And after that click on save changes. And now whenever we will receive an email on this mail account, then automatically Pabbly Connect will capture the response. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive an invoice on my mail, then automatically that invoice should be uploaded in my OneDrive account. So here my subject is invoice attached, and as you can see over here that I have attached the PDF file of invoice, and now I'm going to send an email. And we have successfully sent a mail. So let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have captured a response or not. So as you can see over here that we have received a response. And the subject is invoice attached. And as you can see that we have also received an attachment link over here for our invoice, and which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be filter by Pabbly. Let's click on this. And here I have selected my action application as filter by Pabbly, as it is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect and it helps us to set conditions as per our requirements. So as I want that only invoice should be uploaded in my OneDrive account, so I'm going to set conditions with the help of filter by Pabbly. Now we have to select an action event over here. Let's click on this and we are going to select filter values. Now click on connect. And now here we have to select label, filter type and its value. So whatever the label we are going to select, we have to enter the value for the same. And now for the label, I'm going to use a method called as mapping. Basically mapping means to insert the data from the previous step. And I'm going to select my label as attachment. And this is the attachment link over here. Let's select this. So as I've selected my label, I'm going to select my filter type as exist. So now I'm going to add another condition over here. So as I want to upload specific file in my OneDrive folder, so I'm going to set another condition over here. So my another condition would be subject. So as I have selected my label as subject, now I am going to select my filter type as equal to, and for its value I'm going to enter invoice attached, so that only the invoice would be uploaded in my OneDrive account. Now let's click on save and send test request. And now as you can see over here that we have received a response and the status is success and the message says condition is true, which means we have successfully set our conditions with the help of filter by Pabbly. Now I'm going to add another action step by clicking on this plus icon over here. And my another action step would be Microsoft OneDrive. Let's click on this. And now we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find various action events, but I'm simply going to select upload a file, as I want to upload a file in my OneDrive account. After that, I'm going to click on connect. And now to connect a Microsoft OneDrive account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, I'm going to click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive. And now we have to give the permission, and for that I'm going to click on accept. And we have successfully connected our Microsoft OneDrive account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now here we have to select a folder list which is required. So I have created a folder named as invoice, and I want that whenever I will receive an invoice, I want to upload that invoice in this particular folder. So I'm going to select my folder list as invoice. After that, let's move ahead. Here we have to select file name, which is also required. And for that, I'm going to name this file as, so I have named my file as invoice.pdf. Now here we have to select a file URL. And now I'm going to map the file URL from the previous response, which I have received through email parser. And this is the file URL over here. And now I have selected my file as default. Now I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So as we have received a response, now let's go to our OneDrive account and check whether we have uploaded a file or not. So as you can see over here that I have successfully uploaded invoice.pdf file in the folder invoice. So let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger and action applications, and it was a successful workflow, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is email parser and my trigger event is capture email parser. Here my action application is filter by Pabbly and my action event is filter values. And here my another action application is Microsoft OneDrive, and here my action event is upload file. And if you also want to save Gmail attachments to your OneDrive, then simply follow this workflow step by step. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to us at this website. And if you find this video helpful in any way, then do not forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.